Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. As usual, I'm here with an interesting video that will be very beneficial to every one of us because I believe it's actually a test net, but it will be very interesting. It's so easy, and I always believe easy airdrops always give better rewards. So now let's go get started. It's actually MUN Testnet. So, but for those for those who have been following me up on Twitter and what's it called WhatsApp, especially those who watch my WhatsApp status and those on my WhatsApp group must have seen this. And you see, I just came across the mail. I was just going through the mail this afternoon, and I saw that it said EMC. You can see I have 14,252. That's I gain most from referrals. So they said the EMT version rate will be defined at the time of token launch. But they said the reward will be converted to EMT. So this EMC will be converted to EMT once they launch their token. So I will suggest to try to get to sign up as well and refer as much as you can. So that's this is not the purpose of the video, but I will drop this link for you to start to get into this. I'll drop the link to this mail in the video description section so that you can also participate if you are yet to. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification because there's a particular video I'll be dropping on Kanto chain because they have very good APR. I regret so much not knowing that on time because I didn't make research on that earlier. But you'll see it in my next video. Let me not say much, but let's go on to this. So just turn on notification once I drop the video. Just see it. Don't miss. Please don't miss it. Just like some miss Evmos because it's very similar to Evmos, if not better. So now this is the main topic of the day, which is MUN testnet faucet and MUN testnet. So this is where you first of all claim your faucet as your faucet token. So you go get your address, wallet address. I'm using wallet 3. For example, I go to my wallet 3. You go for MUN wallet. Oh, don't mind me. I'm yet to connect the wallet. So this is what I'll do. I'll go get the wallet connect. So I need to get the URL to use to connect to the Keplr wallet so that I can have MUN chain on my Keplr wallet. It is Keplr wallet you need to connect to this particular chain so as to have for you to be able to get the address. So now we need to connect wallet first. Click, I just change it to dark mode. I always love dark mode. So come here. This is MUN wallet. Sorry, click on connect wallet. Click connect Kepler. Approve transaction. So once you approve this transaction now, MUN should be showing on Kepler wallet. That's all you need. You can see it shows that I've connected to this wallet. So let's go back to Kepler wallet. So you can see this is MUN now. You can see MUN is now appearing. So we'll now copy this. That's basically how to add any chain to Kepler wallet. Just connect to their DEX, their exchange, or their wherever their site is. Just connect to it. Automatically it will appear on Kepler as long as you connect Kepler to that site. So click on I'm not a robot. We've copied the address already. Control V. Oh, sorry. V. You can see this is my MUN. Send token. So they will send faucet to this. I'll always advise you always try to know what to do when you're doing this kind of testnet. So I don't need to say it in the video. All you need now is all the task we are needed to do is to send out Moon to another wallet and send back to the same wallet you used to send. So you need to do send and receive just to be sure that yes, you test the send, it went through, you test the receive, it also went through. So now I'll go to my another wallet. You don't need to start asking somebody for drop your wallet, let me send to you, then you send back to me. That will be stressful. Just create another wallet and send to yourself instead of going through the stress of please send me your wallet and so on and so forth. So now I'll be sending to, you can see this is send. sorry, I'm supposed to change it back to the wallet I used to claim for set, which is wallet 3. Change it back to wallet 3. Let me refresh the page. So you can see on wallet 3 I have MUN. I don't have on wallet 2 because it's not wallet 2 I used to claim. I claimed with wallet 3. So I need to send to wallet 2 now, send out, then I'll send back to wallet 3. So I'll say Control V. Then how many am I sending? I'll be sending 5. Send it. So it will ask me to approve transaction. Approve. So you see assets transferred. So I'll now say done. I'll click on done. Then I will go back to my wallet. I'll copy this address. It will now be the recipient's wallet now. Then I'll change back to wallet 2. Then I'll send. I can even decide to send from here without having to go to this their website. I can just click on send. Then I'll click on recipient. I'll just use Control V. Now put amount. I can just say let me send back 4. Then I'll come back here. You don't need memo. Just say average send, approve. It's all the same. It will all go through. It's still the same thing. So now you see it's sending. You can see this is the balance I now have now after gas fee of 0.0013 or so. So that's why you see this balance. So now you can see it has gone. It has left. It would have. Okay, it's yet to refresh here, but it has. It shows that it has gone already from the extension. So you can see the balance has changed. Let's check the balance on the other wallet. That's the most important thing. This should have been around 9 now. You can see it has changed here as well. So that's just all you need to do on this particular testnet. So once you do this, you are good to go. So if there is any other thing you want to do, you know what to do on how to get some other airdrops and just to qualify more for some eligibility. But now the next thing I'll be dropping, it will be the video on how to get cantors. I would have liked to show you some very fascinating things about cantors, but I don't want this video to be too long. But just turn on notification, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and you will see the video in my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So thank you. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.